And we're back to learning Gimp here, day 91. Let me show you how you can add a gradient to text. It's a little bit more complex in Gimp, but with the stuff that I've already shown you, we can do it. Just use the type tool, left click on the canvas, type it in, select the text and change the font and size. I go with Area Black 300. And then let me reposition that up to here. Now if we just try to use the gradient tool now on this text layer, let me pick the default one, black to white, so foreground to background, and a left click drag. Nothing is going to happen because text layers must be rasterized. It says so at the bottom. So let us rasterize it. We can do that on the layer. And now if we add it, we have an effect, but it completely erases the text and basically paints over it. That's because this rasterization is then seen as an entire box, an entire rectangle. So we need to do something else. Let me press Ctrl Z. What we actually need to do is to select the text. And to do that, we right click on the text layer and then use Alpha to selection. We make that invisible and you can see the selection. I create a new empty layer, make sure it's transparent. And if you use the gradient tool now, we actually have the effect that we want. And you can use different presets if you want to. So it is not limited to this preset foreground to background. But keep in mind, once you've got it deselected, you're basically back to square one. So if I try to change the gradient now, it's not going to work. It's going to overpaint the entire layer. So it's a good idea to keep the original text right here in the layers menu so that you can always right click on it and use Alpha to selection. And then you can change the gradient just like that. So once again, we need the selection. And the moment you deselect it, you're going to run into problems. So keep this layer, make it invisible, but don't delete it. You might need it in your project later on. So it's always a good idea to just have it there. And this is how you can add a gradient to text in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.